Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll explain you what is ChatGPT Trusted Contact feature and how to set it up. So this Trusted Contact feature in ChatGPT is optional safety tool that allows users to designate trusted person, for example, friend or family member, to be notified if AI detects severe emotional distress of the primary user or signs of self-harm in their conversations, etc., things like that. So let me show you how you can set it up. So inside your ChatGPT application, you want to tap these two lines to open this menu. Now let's scroll, tap your profile icon in the top right, and then you want to scroll down to App Settings section, and from here select Trusted Contact. Press Get Started button, and here you can see this form that you need to fill out. You can press Add from Your Contacts button, so that the process was overall faster, but if not, you can do that manually. You can need to enter full name, also phone number and email, then turn on this I consent, and then you want to tap this check mark in the top right in order to send an invitation. So how this feature basically works, if system will detect concern, trained human reviewer will assess the situation before any alerts will be sent to your trusted contact, and then a notification will be sent to your contact, and it will simply state that some kind of issues were mentioned in your conversations, but your specific chat transcripts or details will never be shared with your trusted contact. This way your trusted contact can simply reach out to you and maybe help you out. This feature overall is designed to prompt helpful check-in from some person that you know, but please remember that this does not replace professional care or local crisis responders. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Leave a like if this video helps you, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next video.